Hello, Numberblocks friends. Today we're gonna show how to build Numberblocks mapping cubes 1 to 10. Now I'm showing how to build 11 to 20. Now let's open it. Wow, look at all those colors. Here up. So colorful. So colorful. Color. Color. Colors. Look at these. Number block 1 is a singing star. Let's number block to build the number block. Let's go ahead and build number block 1. This is skip. It's attached. Attack. Do you need a number lead with number lab? And here's number block 1. Our next number block is number block 2. 2 orange blocks. Attach the faces. Attach what is sticker. 2 is this as 3. 3 loves jungling balls. Entertain friends. Entertain friends. Eat. Use. I'm sorry. Actually, 3 will enter. And emotions. And here's 3. Our net is time for 4. Let's take 4 green blocks. Attach the face. It's 4. Well, now it's time for 5. Attach a face. Let's set it. Six is attached.
So if somebody were to play you in a movie, who would you want it to be? Who? Oh, Peoria.
There was a Twitter thing.
What are you doing here? Oh my gosh.
6 loves to rap and rhyme
But now I got you.
word. Loves to rap and rhyme word.
Do the police have a comment? Oh, wow. You never stop reporting, do you? No comment. But, be honest.
And 6 loves
What do I know about
rhyming words
I just saw a
or his
video
numberling. Next, this is the most colorful of all. It's all the colors of the rainbow. And all the colors of the rainbow. All the colors. Colors. Without number block 7. S. And now let's make number block 8. 8 is.
I'm not sure Otis was when they take. What do you mean? Well, for one thing, not every host was from a Gazette.
and a auto block. Now let's make number block 9. Now let's make 9 bigger.
Dude.
Of their own. Maybe someone in your line of work? Oh, you better get into the theater. Fiona, the movie is starting. Oh.
Pete. It's a 10. That was a go. 4, 10. Whoa, we'll try this again. Sooner, make her happy. Where's Numberling? Numberling. And 10. Oh wait, but wait, that's not all. It's one more. 6 is 0. Cause the 0 is nothing. She don't get any cubes. Numberling is his step shape. Now it's 1 to 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 1. 1. You can't count that fast. So, and the one number block. You can also farm number block into 2 blocks wide. 4 into a square. 4 blocks this way. 4 into a square. Now it's a farm. And 1 is 4. It's 5. That's 1 to 10.
What the hell? One thing I know. I trust this woman's conscious. She is here to make sure that the department.
And here's our finished shot. 5.
Wherein she has a history with the victim.
I called New York Confidential's tip line with a
It's
farm
our 6
correction. I have no
as
idea.
a rectangle.
Making it into more than a line.
It's because she is a gossip columnist. That is her job. She made her own bag, but she
Here's 6.
and an extremely vindictive streak.
Exactly.
Remember, block 6 left to wrap. For his square rectangle. Square. Square. 8 into the auto block. Here's our bag.
If it were up to me, Charles, Shelley,
The macaron cube. Our 8 is an auto block.
fair and honest right now. Let's make sure he's not accused of slow walking requests from the precinct.
And here's
ex-girlfriend.
number block 9. It's a square.
Using discretionary funds to show pleasure or displeasure. Because you're about to find out. You wouldn't take a machine. Would you? No, not that quick. But, I'll just start paying for the little powered refills. Consider that a shot across the back. That is a good hope.
And here's 9. And here's 9. And that's 1 to 10.
Go ahead.
It's not right. It's our 10. Rocket. This should be a rectangle. We need to farm. It's a lucky double. It's 10.
Okay, well that's all right. I know what we really want is just gossip about the case. On that
10. Light block.
that doesn't buy houses.
Here's 10. And that's 1, 0 to 10. Now let's make those 11 to 20.
All of the including the phone that he used to access the account.
Magazine for him. Let's make number block 11 to 20. It's blocks including number block 14. Skateboard's a helmet. This helmet is doing number blocks.
By the way, I have to ask, how did you hear about the voicemail I left on your confidential tip line? You don't get it.
Blocks are showing too. Now let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, look at all those colors. It's doing colors. It's 11. And the math link cube. Pieces. The math link cube. The math link cubes. Math link cubes. The math link cubes. Here's our number blocks. Face plates and numberling. Character cards to get back to math. Now it's a character cards and stickers until I can build a number block. Now let's make number block 11. Attaching
Yeah,
11. Here they are. The box is completely empty box. Here they are. Oh, attaching the face. Attach. It's 11. Is the where's our faces? Special cards and displays.
Mayor Alec Bloom may have found his first lady. A very reliable source tells us that Bloom
Oh, here's our 11's favorite color.
It's snack time.
Kenna doesn't get a snack. The 11. Make number block 11. Attaching in 11's face. Okay. Now let's make 12. It's number land. You can also build number blocks, including white sheep. It's 12. 12 number blocks. Mm, 12. 12. 12. 12. 12. Pink. Black. Red. Pink. Black. 12. 12. Our next number block is 13. Number block 13 is tell the 13th. OG. On the drum. So 13. I'm so 13. Here one says 13. 20. 13. Magnetic sheets. It's 14. It's a skateboard. This is 14. This is helmet. Skateboard to start. I don't know. It's polluted. It's full. Here it is. It's 14. Now let's make number block 15. Number block 15 is of 20 light 10 white blocks and 5 blue blocks. I think it's mine. I think it's mine. It's for my Christmas. For my Christmas. It's 15. It's for my treats. Special treats. Cheats treats. Treat. 15. Football. Here's our 15. And that's 11 to 15. And our next number block is 16. Number block 16 is made up of 10 white blocks and 6 purple indigo blocks. Indigo blocks. And 16. And 16. Fat 16. And 16. Build. Complete. And start building. Start. Let's start. What? Kenneth doesn't get a snack. I got a 6. 16. 16 is number link. Our next number block is 17.
Long time.
17
There's even an
is
SBI
an
Ripple
artist.
Asia, which if you guys have
17.
been watching a lot of the recent videos, you know about this group. And this is all based around DLT adoption in both Japan as well as South Korea and even certain Southeast Asian countries. They want to scale the operations of RippleNet and DLT adoption in these areas with the help of SBI. So this is definitely a very, very bullish insight on
Is
what's
17 is all
companies,
purple,
but that's not
right?
new news. In this video,
Again,
I'll go over what's really going on here with Japan and how pretty significant this is for XRP. But first, we do have to go through some of the rehashing of the information that we know of with Japan and Ripple and even XRP. Like, for example, ROUSD distribution in Japan, which, we know that this is supposed to launch in, the first quarter of the year. Obviously, we are now in the second quarter of the year. So I'm questioning when this is really going to go live, but I'm still waiting on it. But we do know that ROUSD in Japan is going to happen, but we're just waiting on the announcements with this. So far, it seems as though it's kind of delayed a bit, and we're just kind of waiting for the next big announcement with it. But this definitely does pertain back to SBI VC Trade, as well as SBI Asia with SBI specifically, and even with the XRP Ledger with ROUSD. So I think that this will
Our
definitely
next number block is 18. Number block 18 is a rectangle.
Opens BitBank talks, Japan's largest crypto exchange. And yes, they just opened formal capital and business alliance talks with BitBank Inc., the Japanese financial group, once they produce the largest crypto exchange, a consolidated subsidiary.
That's
This
18.
SBI has been doing this for a
18
while, where they
is
are starting to
artist.
merge with so many big names all into one name, and it seems as though they're trying to do this with Bitcoin Japan. Because again, SBI already merged with SBI VC Trade with Bitcoin Japan, and now they're looking at fully acquiring another major name. If completed, the video would lift the SBI group above Bitcoin and by combined trading volume. The outcome would make
18.
SBI the largest exchange
Our next number block is
very good news for both
19.
Ripple and for XRP.
19
has been very, very good. But we do have
uh,
plans to buy Bitcoin.
hand light block.
Again, come back down in. It's the third
Here's
largest
our
exchange.
finish.
Once the acquisition is successful, SBI is going to be the largest
It's
crypto
our
exchange in Japan.
finish.
So why are they buying now? Well, SBI holds record crypto profits of
It's 20 light orange. 20 light orange block. 20 light orange. With heroes with zero. Heroes with zeros.
SBI holds about 9% equity stake in Ripple.
Heroes with
SBI
zeros.
joint venture pushes XRP adoption across the region. So yeah, this will definitely be a big one. I do believe that this will definitely be big for Ripple and XRP, considering the fact that this is the largest crypto exchange in Japan. So very big news with SBI. Now on top of that, like I said, Ripple in Japan.
You don't get a snack. You don't get a snack. You don't get a snack. Kenna. Because you throw your iPad. You don't get a snack. You can get a snack tomorrow. Tomorrow you're gonna get a snack. You're not getting this amazing super worksheet. 19. It's 19. Check out the blocks. Our last number block is 20. The big Don circle. He's made of 20 blocks. It's a 2 ton tangle. 2 tons. times tangle. 20. I can never.
Now, there's other listings as well. Like, for example, like Telemco, Shiba, Tone, like Bitcoin. So when we look at this,
Everybody how? 20.
Now, on top of that, we also have over here that Justin, SBI Ripple Asia, completed a development of a token issuance platform.
Natalie. Here's his number lead.
Because if we're thinking about what's happening with SBI Ripple Asia, like SBI Ripple Asia, their end goal is to
Number
the adoption of
block
and pretty much bring
20.
to them. And that's what we do.
There's more. Here's our number blocks 11 to 15. 11 to 20. 10.
Platform for this, or perfect network, I should say, for a platform like this. This is definitely a big one, and I was back as well. Now, with all that in mind, let's take a look at what's
Multi-split.
happening now. Number one, institutional adoption. Almost 80% of Penn's institutional investors plan to buy crypto within 3 years. A survey finds. A survey by Nomura revealed that roughly 80% of Japan's investment professionals plan to allocate up to 5% of their portfolios to digital assets by 2029. This is definitely a big insight that are prepared for the next wave of adoption, and also they are trying to get behind the space in a big way before we get clarity. This is a very important factor. This is a very important insight, and this is a very important survey to actually because of the idea that this is happening, around the world. We're starting to see so much.
These are number blocks 0 to 20. Hit the thumbs up icon. Remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.